Hi folks, this is the Ryobi OLT1832 One Plus cordless strimmer, and where I've just been strimming there's been a wall and a path and I couldn't really see because it was overgrown, so I'm not surprised that the blades have broke. So I'm going to change them. I'm going to put a couple of fairly new ones back on. So I'm going to show you how to change them. Basically all you do is there's a lug here and there's a lug there, and you squeeze it and try and do this with one hand and it comes off nice and easy. Now then, when you're replacing that, remember to put this over the hole because that's where it's meant to go, like that. Alright, that's how it goes back in. Right, so to change them, now if you notice, I'll show you in a second when I get them off. So all you do is take a keyhole slot, pull it off, push it back, flick it off. It's as easy as that. And you can see the little recess where that metal is. Come on, focus, focus. Come on, Dibby. There you go. There you can see that little recess there, and you can also see this barrier here. Right, so when you put these back on, don't try and put them on like that because you'll have a hell of a job. The easiest way is just to put them on the side, clip them on, and pull them. There's one on the side again, push down and pull in, and that's them on. And then, like I've already said, you want this bit over the top of your cord hole. He said hole. And you squeeze the lugs in a little bit, push down, and voila, job done. And that's how you change your blades on a Ryobi cordless strimmer. Hope that helps.